Alright, so we just had enchiladas for dinner. They're pretty spicy, especially for us Northwesterners. So I give Molly a bro challenge. Lick the spoon. Bro up, Molly.
Shut up.
Get your hair out of there.
Oh. God, I keep spilling.
He used his life so well and so hard. What he was here to do. And he did it so effortlessly.
What did she do?
He assumed that everyone had inside themselves this wonderful person. It was just dying. And he was going to open the door for me. And then told you open the door, Father. That's pretty simple. That's pretty.
How do you feel? Well, Molly, you've aced the bro challenge. That's my bro. That was a lame 5.